Fanconi anemia is a rare genetic disorder that affects the bone marrow and leads to decreased production of blood cells. It also increases the risk of developing certain cancers and can cause physical abnormalities and developmental delays. The condition is inherited in an autosomal recessive manner, which means a person must inherit 2 copies of the mutated gene, one from each parent, to have the disorder. FA often leads to aplastic anemia, where the bone marrow fails to produce enough red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Individuals may have various physical anomalies such as short stature, limb defects, and abnormalities of the skin, eyes, and ears. There is a higher risk of developing cancers, particularly leukemia and solid tumors, just as those in the head, neck, and reproductive organs. Fanconi anemia, or FA, is caused by mutations in genes responsible for DNA repair. There are several genes that are associated with FA, and mutations in these genes impair the body's ability to repair the damaged DNA. MapMyGenome is a genetic company which is an expert in genomics. We provide a range of tests, including those for inherited genetic conditions like Fanconi anemia. We can identify genetic mutations that may cause or contribute to conditions like Fanconi anemia. The test can determine if individuals carry mutations for FA, which can be useful for family planning and understanding genetic risk. For someone with a history of Fanconi anemia or symptoms suggestive of this condition, genetic testing through services that we provide from MapMyGenome can provide valuable information. This can guide medical management and family planning decisions. If you are considering genetic testing or have concerns, it's often helpful to consult with an expert genetic counselor at MapMyGenome or a healthcare professional who specializes in genetics. They will definitely help interpret test results and provide guidance on next steps. For more information on FA, log on to our website and book your test today. Thank you.